Hello and welcome to CID Group. My name is Weston. Today, I'm going to be talking you through the features and benefits of one of our newest innovations, the giant wear twin cartridge half mask, where comfort beats maximum protection. The mask is crafted from a non-allergenic silicone material, ensuring a snug and airtight fit, adaptable for most face shapes, ensuring comfort during extended wear. Designed to hang around your neck when not in use, the mask remains always within reach for the ultimate convenience. Featuring 4-point adjustability, it offers a customizable fit for unparalleled comfort and security. Equipped with 2 lateral filters, this mask minimises breathing resistance while also providing a top-level protection against airborne contaminants. The filters are replaceable, so you can say goodbye to single-use masks. Our replaceable filters make maintenance a breeze, offering a sustainable solution for your safety needs. Our twin cartridge half mask has a nominal protection factor of 50 and conforms to the EN 140/1998 standards. With optimal adjustment and steadfast stability, the giant wear twin cartridge half mask ensures your safety is never compromised. For more information, contact CID Group today.